Hello students, welcome back to Kevira Academy online study channel. Myself Ramas Maurya, your physics teacher. Today we are going to discuss some terms related to plane mirrors. First of all, we will discuss reflection. What is reflection? So, the bouncing of light in same medium after striking a plane and smooth surface is called reflection of light. Bouncing of light in same medium after striking a plane and smooth surface is called reflection of light. There are two types of reflection, regular reflection and irregular reflection. First of all, regular reflection. When the light reflects from a plane surface or mirror, it is called regular reflection. While irregular reflection, when light reflects from a rough surface, is called irregular reflection, or when a light reflects from uneven surface is called irregular reflection. After that, incident ray. In figure you can see here incident ray. The light falling on the reflecting surface is called incident ray. In figure, AO is the incident ray. After that, reflected ray. The light which reflects from the reflecting surface is called reflected ray. You can see in figure OB. OB is reflected ray because it is reflecting from the reflecting surface. So OB is reflected ray. After that, point of incidence. Point of incidence in figure O. You can see here O. O is the point of incident. The point on the reflecting surface where the incident ray falls is called point of incident. Normal. Here ON or NO is normal. The perpendicular drawn on the point of incidence is called normal. In figure, NO is the normal because NO is the perpendicular drawn on the reflecting surface on the point O. After that, angle of incidence. What is the angle of incidence? The angle formed between the normal and the incidence ray is called angle of incidence. In this figure, you can see angle AON. Angle AON, which is formed between the normal and the incident ray, is angle of incidence, or you can see angle I. After that, angle of reflection. In figure, you can see angle BON. Angle BON is the angle of reflection. So, the angle formed between the normal and the reflected ray, the angle formed between the normal and reflected ray is called angle of reflection. Here angle R, or you can say BON or NOB, is the angle of reflection. After that, we will discuss Law of reflection. For any surface, there are two laws of reflection. First, the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. So here angle of incidence is I is equal to angle of reflection R. This is true for all reflecting surface. And second law, the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. I will write it here. Incident ray, reflected ray and normal at the point of incidence all lie in same plane. You can see here also incident ray, normal ray and reflected ray at the point of incidence all lie at the same plane, because here plane is reflecting surface. So these three are at the same plane at reflecting surface. So these two are the law of reflection. So today we discuss many terms related to plane mirror and law of reflection. That's all. Thank you.